Hey guys, what's going on? Just want to talk to you about my fuel controller I put in. It's called a FC3 fore Innovations fuel controller, and just want to show you how simple it is to put in. I know most of you guys probably still run single pump, but if you ever do decide to put a second or a third pump in and you want to control it, it seems like a pretty good way to do it. I went from the micro squirt to the mega squirt, and I can actually do the same thing through the mega squirt, but I'd already bought this and I didn't know that if you could do it or not with the micro squirt. So anyway, I've already got it hooked up, so I might as well use it. But let me show you what we got going on here. Like I say, it comes with instructions on how to do everything. You know, it shows you everything. You know, it's pretty simple. Here's mine. These go to my fuel pumps. This is the ground. This goes to the solenoid for the key. When you turn it on, it sends the signal. Positive. There's my breaker. You know, it goes straight up into my battery. This little red wire right here, it runs on one pump all the time. The jumper is to kick the second pump in and the third pump in, if I have one. I don't have a third pump, but this right here will go in where the red wires are, and this is a pressure switch, and it goes to the vacuum box on the front of the motor. And whenever the boost gets over 5 pounds, it flips the switch in here, and it activates the second and third pump if I have one. It's pretty simple on how it's ran. I can see say that goes to the key, that goes to the fuel pumps, ground, positive, and this right here is a jumper for the boost switch. When he sent the thing to me, it had this connector on it. I didn't really care for it too much, so I went ahead and made all my own fittings, and that's the way I did them all on my battery when I run my cables and everything. So, but the pressure switch will go into a little box that I'm gonna put up here. This little box right here, I'm gonna set it in right there, and once I find all my fittings and get everything rehooked up like it's supposed to be, probably get it where it's supposed to go. But a little short video, I'm explaining to you about my fuel controller if you guys ever run into one of them. And like I say, it's pretty easy to do. I think there's a few YouTube videos, but like I said, that's not that hard. You guys got any questions, let me know. Like and subscribe. See you next time.